Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having a recent price reduction, fuel efficient, and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2013 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, tires, front, on-off road, front disc rear drum brakes, tires, rear on-off road, rear wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.